This is the most finely crafted and easily most beautiful airbrush I've ever handled. Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew. Today's video is an unboxing and product review of the brand new Aventus Tailor Made airbrush. As you can see, this one is brand new out of the box, and if you can count and fast forward, you'll see that they packed this in bubble pack with 9 wraps around what turns out to be a beautiful silver box. With an exploded view of the airbrush on the back. That used to be on the inside lid. I'll keep going. Even more protective wrapping inside. Which reveals a beautiful stainless steel case. The Aventus Tailor Made by Gaahleri. Look at that, some rubber feet, machined screws. Have to open these two on the left side. And the top will just slide off to the right. Outstanding packaging by Gaahleri. Every time it gets better and better. There's always a quick start guide inside with assembly instructions, airbrushing techniques, maintenance tips. It's in several languages. I always hang on to those. Another foam pad for protection. There's the test spray card. Now that used to just be a photocopied card, but this has clearly been done by the airbrush. And let me draw your attention to this. If there's any problem with this, you don't need to return it. You contact us with the problem, and we'll ship out a new one. You can't beat that by Gaahleri. The TailorMade brand means that you're getting a bespoke airbrush. I was able to pick out the colors and the engraving and even the font that it's done in. So I'm about to lift out a one-of-a-kind airbrush. The body is refined anodized aluminum. That's the same stuff that they make iPhones out of. And Gaahleri going to engrave these, personalized for you. I went with my YouTube channel named MapleLeafCustoms. Check that out. Tailor Made is right. I chose a Bordeaux red for the pen body, that center grip, and a Titan Mist color tail. There's 10 of each of those to choose from, which means you have 100 color combination choices. The quality here is something that can be both seen and felt. Both are immediate high impact. Well, what else is in the box? Lots of extras. You get a moisture trap. You don't get that everywhere you buy an airbrush. And the quick connect with a check valve. 2 different size cups are included with the mirror finish. You have needle size options as well. You can order just the 0.2mm needle or a 0.2 and a 0.4 as well. Mine comes with both. They are really hooking me up here. After you get past how beautiful this is, the first impression is it's so lightweight. It actually feels like holding a pen in your hand. Granted, I haven't installed the cup yet. That's a new ergonomic design on the trigger. Beautiful action. as advertised. This is the larger of the two caps. All Gaahleri paint caps are interchangeable. It's a little bit more front heavy now, but still noticeably lighter than any other airbrush I've got. When talking about airbrush improvements, you look for the subtle changes, like this quick fit air cap. It doesn't screw onto threads, it just pulls on and off. And then you can twist it up into that position, depending on your viewpoint, I guess, or sideways. That only goes with the 0.2 millimeter needle, not the 0.4. Wow, let's give it a real world spray test. This is black from the Kaleido Colorworks. Primary color set at 24. Straight into the airbrush, no thinners, no levelers. There's a wide spray. PSI is at about 20. And using that fixed distance cap, I get right in close. I like to make these meteor impact marks by holding it at a bit of an angle. Those are great on a space cruiser model. But I truly don't use a 0.2 needle very often in my hobby, which is customizing die-cast cars. It looks like I'm a little more dialed in now for some fine spray. So I think this would be exceptionally good for pre-shading your model aircraft wings and things like that. I cleaned it out. I want to show you a full breakdown. This is the 0.2 needle. You can see no residue left there. Here's another excellent new feature. The trigger just has a ball joint at the bottom. No more of those dangly little things that you gotta try to thread the needle through, which was a huge frustration for me and many other people I know. Just pull back on the spring mechanism. It drops straight down in and seats itself. Easy peasy. I like that. I'll remove the 0.2 nozzle. And here's my 0.4 needle. The tube is labeled, but there's only one. So once this comes out, I'm going to put the cap onto the 0.2 needle, and it's going into a tube that's labeled 0.4, but I'll tell you how you can check the difference in those. It's right there. See that little notch? You can see it and you can feel it. That's only on the 0.4 needles. Pro tip. The two different nozzles each have their own little storage tube, so that's good. Let me show you a close-up of this new Vortex nozzle system. The R&D nerds spent all kinds of time developing this. Lots of physics goes on inside that I don't understand, but it's supposed to atomize the paint better than ever before, even at low pressure settings. We'll find out in a moment. Right, 0.4 all set to go. I always give my paint bottles a good mix-up. This is also from the Kaleido Colorworks line. It's turquoise, metallic fleck in it. This turquoise is a little bit more on the green side than the blue side. I'm spraying a 1:57 scale Matchbox Porsche 935. I'll call that 2 passes over the car. Another airbrush cleanout proceeds loading up some aluminum, or aluminium if you please, from the Kaleido Colorworks metal colors. This is going over top of their matte black primer. Air pressure is still at about 20. Again, no thinners, no levelers. The Colorworks paints are designed to go straight into your airbrush. I'm not saturating the car with aluminum. I want a little bit of that black shadow to peek through. And it does. So, both 0.2 and 0.4 needles have been tested out in the spray booth. Easy cleanup because the breakdown is so uncomplicated. I'm really favorably impressed with the whole setup. And here's one more thing. See that entry spot? It's beveled now, which means it's just a little bit easier to put your needle back in. Another score for Gaahleri. It really is the finest airbrush that I've ever handled, easily. Lightweight, strong. The machining is evident as you thread the various components on and off. I'm recommending this one to you. There's the 2 Porsches that got sprayed after they've been cured in a dehydrator for enough time that I can handle them like this. That's my hobby. And the new Aventus is bang right on for me. If you don't think you need a tailor-made model, there are 5 other Aventus themes to choose from at a lower price point without all of the extras like engravings and custom color combos and such. You'll find the current pricing on any of these Gaahleri sites that are always kept up to date. They're really good at that. There are lots of weekly flash sales going on right now through to Christmas, and you can apply that affiliate link code for all of my viewers. That gives you another 10% off any of their ongoing sales. I hope this very special review helped you out. Thanks for visiting again here today. I sure do appreciate it. It's coffee time.